Python program to make a simple calculator. Example, simple calculator by using functions. Let's go now make a calculator. Hash this function adds two numbers def add x, y, return x plus y hash this function subtracts two numbers def subtract x, y, return x y hash this function multiplies two numbers def multiply x, y, return x y hash this function divides two numbers def divide x, y, return x, y print, select operation, print 1, add print 2, subtract print 3, multiply print 4, divide, while true. Hash take input from the user choice equals input, enter choice, 1/2, 3/4, hash check if choice is one of the four options if choice in 1, 2, 3, 4, try, num1 equals float, input, enter first number, num2 equals float, input, enter second number, accept value error, print, invalid input. Please enter a number, continue if choice equals 1 foot, print, num1, plus, num2, equals, add, num1, num2, elif choice equals 2 feet, print, num1, num2, equals, subtract, num1, num2, elif choice equals 3 feet, print, num1, asterisk, num2, equals, multiply, num1, num2, elif choice equals 4 feet, print, num1, num2, equals, divide, num1, num2, hash check if user wants another calculation hash break the while loop if answer is no next underscore calculation equals input, let's do next calculation. Yes, no, if next underscore calculation equals, no, break else, print, invalid input. Output. Select operation point 1, add 2, subtract 3, multiply 4, divide enter choice, 1/2, 3/4, 3 enter first number, 15 enter second number, 1415.0 times 14.0 equals 210.0 let's do next calculation. Yes, no, no. In this program, we ask the user to choose an operation. Options 1, 2, 3, and 4 are valid. If any other input is given, invalid input is displayed and the loop continues until a valid option is selected. Two numbers are taken and an if, elif, else branching is used to execute a particular section. User-defined functions add, subtract, multiply, and divide, evaluate respective operations and display the output. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.